Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hajin Lee, and I want to share with you a theme of Wave 5. So here's Litecoin. Initially, this Wave 3 was thought to be here, and Wave 4 here, and Wave 5. But the impulse was complete, well, still a valid count. And that this is an ABC correction occurring. And that the correction will go towards the $68, the 0.618. Absolutely. However, the position of 3, 4 at these locations has it so that Wave 5 could likely be still owed. Either way, it only means that Wave 5 reaching, let's say, $200 level will then be followed by a correction. Because every impulse sequence of 5 waves must undergo a requisite correction. The 5-3 is a Fibonacci requirement. If we continue going lower to the 68, then we likely have the ABC correction in progress. And from a projection perspective, it only means that after the correction is complete, we'll get to the 200 a little later. The completion of this ABC correction could coincide and should with the end of this current cycle. We have already placed a right translated peak. By now, based on my prior video, you should understand exactly what a right translated and left translated cycle peaks imply. Since this was a right translated peak, a healthy correction is required. The start of the next correction is where not only Litecoin will see 200s, but well beyond that. The theme of Wave 5, if it is still owed, would only do the same thing. The cycle will then end in this time frame and then rise. For many newbies, or for those who are very nervous, a correction of this type can be quite mortifying, painful, mentally and emotionally. But I think, at least for me, and I've seen for many others, that awareness keeps the panic away. It may not totally eliminate the discomfort. Awareness almost eliminates broadsiding effect, the shock, the surprise. The unaware and uninformed often ask, what happened? What's going on? When a correction is occurring. The informed and the aware don't need to ask such questions. Instead, they know that after the correction of this 5 and 3, after the 3-wave corrective phase, an impulse sequence will begin anew. They will see these corrective bottoms as buying opportunities, or shall we say BTFD. Okay, I want to share with you another chart. Almost every day, The Ethereum chart is analyzed and posted on hedging.com. This is on top of daily analysis, video analysis of 15 minutes or so of Bitcoin, Saturday and Sundays included, holidays as well, because Bitcoin never sleeps. How many of you analysts take the weekends off? Interesting. So at hedging.com, this analysis has been presented for a few days now, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and again here, the theme of wave 5 still being owed. Very interesting. As long as price remains within this channel, there may still be a brief and temporary piercing of the lower line, and that would be called a bullish piercing. Look here. Brief temporary piercing of the top trend line is called a bearish piercing, and it certainly brought it back down to the lower trend line levels. The 0.618 has almost been hit. And even if there is a temporary piercing, which would be bullish, it is the market's way of getting rid of weak hands, the unaware, the uninformed. And if this wave 5 is still owed, I believe we can see the mid-400s, maybe the 5. Again, on hedging.com, Gold member access gives visibility to all of these analyses, but also trading alerts, the profit trading alerts, to which Gold members get lifetime access. As soon as Bitcoin hits all-time highs, and we're not very far from it, Gold memberships will be closed. Lifetime annual membership rate lock and lifetime profit alert access will go away and be only given to existing Gold members. So if you find analysis of this type helpful, it is provided daily on hedging.com. I would encourage you to check it out. Have a great day.